Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Hubbard 35s is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of equipment for any aspiring musician or seasoned professional looking to capture that authentic country rock sound, offering a unique blend of versatility and raw power that can elevate your music to new heights, making it a standout choice in today's competitive market. Number 5. Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 16GB RAM. Experience top-tier performance with memory chips that are hand-sorted for exceptional speed and overclocking potential. This RAM is engineered for seamless integration with the newest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards, ensuring broad compatibility. Its slim 34mm height allows it to fit even in the most compact small form-factor PC builds without issue. A high-performance PCB provides excellent signal integrity and stability, paving the way for superior overclocking capabilities. The solid aluminum heat spreader effectively cools each module, allowing them to consistently operate at high clock speeds. Installation and setup are a breeze thanks to Intel XMP 2.0 support, requiring just a single setting. Available in various colors to complement your system's aesthetic, it also comes with a limited lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This RAM is hand-sorted for high performance and overclocking. It's optimized for wide compatibility with the latest motherboards and has a low profile height for small builds. If you are building a compact gaming rig or need reliable performance for your workstation, this is a great choice. What people say. The Hubbard 35s are a great choice for anyone looking for a comfortable and stylish shoe. These shoes feature a durable construction that is built to last. The unique design of the Hubbard 35s makes them stand out from the crowd. Number 4. LUMIFY Redness Reliever Eye Drops. Are you tired of dealing with red, irritated eyes? Wish there was a quick and effective solution to make your eyes look brighter and feel better? We have just the thing for you. Introducing LUMIFY, a revolutionary new eye drop designed to combat redness. It's formulated to provide a noticeable difference, helping your eyes appear more vibrant. Experience the rapid action of this incredible product. It starts working in as little as 1 minute, providing fast relief from redness and discomfort. Enjoy the benefits for an extended period. The effects can last up to 8 hours, ensuring your eyes stay looking brighter throughout your day. Achieve the brighter, more awake-looking eyes you desire. It effectively reduces redness, making your eyes appear whiter and more appealing. This gentle yet powerful formula is designed for your comfort. It effectively tackles redness without causing irritation, making it a great choice for daily use. What we like. These eye drops work in just 1 minute to relieve red eyes and make them look brighter. The effect lasts up to 8 hours. If you suffer from occasional eye redness due to allergies, fatigue, or screen time, and need a quick and long-lasting solution, these are perfect for you. What people say. The Hubbard 35s offer a comfortable fit for extended wear, making them ideal for long listening sessions. Featuring a robust build quality, these headphones are designed to withstand daily use and travel. The sound reproduction is crisp and clear, accurately delivering the nuances of various music genres. Number 3. BUXOM Powerful Plumping Lip Balm. Discover the BUXOM Powerful Plumping Lip Balm, your secret to fuller, smoother lips. This tinted balm enhances your natural beauty while providing essential moisture. Achieve a visibly plumper pout with our innovative formula. It works to hydrate and smooth your lips, leaving them feeling soft and looking luscious. Infused with peptides, this lip treatment deeply moisturizes and smooths fine lines. Enjoy a comfortable, non-sticky feel that lasts. Available in beautiful tints, it adds a touch of color to enhance your natural look. It's the perfect everyday essential for a radiant smile. Feel good about your beauty choices. This plumping lip balm is proudly cruelty-free, so you can enhance your lips with confidence. What we like. This lip balm provides a plumping effect while also hydrating and smoothing your lips. It's formulated with peptides for a nourishing treatment. If you're looking for fuller-looking lips with added moisture and a smooth finish, this balm is an excellent option. What people say. The Hubbard 35s are a great choice for anyone looking for a comfortable and stylish boot. These boots are made with high-quality leather and feature a durable sole that can withstand daily wear. The design is classic and versatile, making them suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Number 2. Old Mother Hubbard Classic Savory Mix Mini Dog Biscuits. Introducing our Classic Savory Mix Mini Dog Biscuits. These crunchy treats are perfect for training and a healthy addition to your dog's diet, featuring natural flavors like chicken liver, bacon, and cheddar cheese. Our delicious biscuit recipes are made with wholesome, natural ingredients like real peanut butter, fruits, and vegetables. Each one is slowly oven-baked to lock in those natural flavors. We proudly make these treats in North America, using only the finest globally sourced ingredients. They are crafted with simple, natural ingredients chosen for their nutritional benefits, with no artificial preservatives or meat byproducts. Whether your dog is a puppy or a senior, small or large breed, we have an all-natural recipe to suit their needs and taste. Find the perfect crunchy or chewy option for your furry friend. We've been baking our snacks with the same simple method since 1926. Each home-style recipe is crafted from wholesome ingredients, so you can feel good about giving your dog a healthy and heartfelt reward. What we like. These dog biscuits are made with all-natural ingredients and come in many sizes, perfect for training. They are available in 3 savory flavors. If you're looking for healthy, all-natural training treats for your small to medium-sized dog, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The Tyler Hubbard 35s are a great addition to any music lover's collection, offering crisp sound quality and a comfortable fit for extended listening sessions. With their durable construction and sleek design, these headphones are built to last and make a stylish statement. The advanced noise cancellation technology effectively blocks out distractions, allowing you to immerse yourself in your audio. Number 1. Tyler Gallon Glam Wash Laundry Detergent. Discover the luxurious scent and powerful cleaning of Glam Washington. It's designed to leave your clothes exceptionally clean and fresh. Elevate your laundry routine with this signature detergent. Experience a delightful fragrance that lingers on your fabrics. This formula effectively tackles tough stains while being gentle on your garments. Enjoy pristine results with every wash. The large 128 fluid ounces size ensures you have plenty from multiple washes. Keep your wardrobe smelling divine for longer. Transform your laundry day into a pampering experience. It's the perfect choice for those who appreciate quality and a touch of indulgence. What we like. This laundry detergent comes in a large 128 fluid ounces bottle with a Diva scent. It's designed for effective cleaning of your laundry. If you need a high-capacity detergent that leaves your clothes smelling great and looking clean, this is a convenient and economical choice for your household. What people say. The Tyler Hubbard 35s are a fantastic addition to any music lover's collection, offering crisp sound quality and a sleek design. With their advanced noise cancellation technology, these headphones provide an immersive listening experience, perfect for travel or focused work. The long-lasting battery life ensures you can enjoy your music for hours on end without interruption. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.